All right, so I'm doing a video on how to change or install a window on a 2006 Volvo VNL 670, the sleeper window. What I ended up figuring out is that you need a 1/16, kind of like a bicycle cable that I got from Tractor Supply. And you wrap that around the seal, and you should also use Vaseline, which we did not do. That would have made it a lot easier. Hindsight's always 20/20, but hopefully this will work for you. That the first window, once I got the tape off of it from the previous owner, I was able to just kick the old frame right out. It's just a rubber seal, and it goes around this prefabricated frame. It goes inside that frame, so you'll see as I do it. But that, and then we used a screwdriver to pull the cable. I got the cable from Tractor Supply. I got the window from a junkyard. So this was a pretty easy install, especially if you had Vaseline. All right, so we're using 3 people to do this now because the first time it did not work. The original radio wire that we were using didn't work, so we got this 1/16 inch cable. All right, the first time we did this, we didn't get it all the way done because the wire broke. So we're wrapping the cable around the inside, in between the seal, and she's gonna go and start with both sides at the bottom, and then she's gonna pull while I'm pushing from the outside. If you can see this is what it looks like on the outside. There's like a separate piece of fiberglass, almost like a fiberglass installed window frame that goes into. So she's gonna pull it from the other side. You got it recording in the right direction?
Yep.
Okay. Put the window up in place.
Nope. No, it came out.
All right, delete it.
Can you come in here and you're gonna have to put this in? I can't get it in. I can't get it to stay.
Okay. You got it?
And so far. All right, that's better. Just a little piece that's out. Yeah.
All right.
We're all good?
Yeah.
All right, so here I go. Starting on the bottom. I'm gonna go around the side. And these corners are really tough. Keep going, keep going. You can do it. Need help? No. All right, hold that side for a minute and let's try over here.
The corners
It looks good, so
when you do this, the corners are going to be really tough.
let me try a different glove because maybe it's that one's not a good one to wear. So I'm still having the issues in the corners, Bill.
Need help?
Nope, I need the heavier glove because it just hurts my hand. Do it.
Just gonna...
Bill, I need this to be looser. Or is it looser? Looser?
Huh?
Looser. You want to try?
Your hair, yeah, but your hair keeps getting in the way.
Okay. Go on. We'll do it. I would do this one. This hurts. It's very painful. Look at all the marks on my hand.
No thanks.
Okay.
All right. Let me get this on, and let me get this one on. Give me the wire, please.
I'm trying. Okay, ready? Yeah, because my arm, I might not have the strength in my arm to do it. So. Try now. Pull now. Let's go up. Up.
Hold up.
Alright, give it back. Here, take this.
Gotta get the gloves off.
I know. Got it?
Yep.
Thank you. On the side right here that I'm working on,
This side?
yeah, it's so tight, it's not budging, okay?
I'm just barely holding it in.
Okay. It's going. Just going very slow.
Move your head. I can't see if I'm getting good footage.
Hurts. It's going up a little bit. Ooh, just got to get brakes.
Do you want me to go find some thicker gloves?
No, no, it's not really going to matter.
Or a bunch of other gloves you can wear?
I'm good. Oh, crap. I just got to try and find a way to make it not hurt. You know, it would be great if this was tied to something that I could pull with my hand.
That wouldn't hurt. Because it's so thin. It hurts because it's thin. If it was bigger, or tied to a bigger wire, it would have helped.
All right, it's almost to the top on this corner.
All right. Is it working though? Does it seem like it's working?
Yeah.
So far,
Is it in on the bottom?
I can't tell. I hope so. I hate to have to do all that again. Ow, ow, ow. I wonder, what can I wish I could just use something to, let me try this. Let me see if I can do it like this. This might work. Let me get tied a little better. Oh, I don't know why it's not. Come on. Okay. We can just roll this up. Now let's try it.
How about we both pull?
No, this is actually, I think it's, I just got to get it.
What?
Nothing, this corner is just kicking my butt.
The corners are hard because it has to seal. It's sealing two different sides.
Well, does it really matter?
It has to close two different sides, which is why it's so hard.
I'm definitely stretching this wire.
I can't wait to make this so look good.
I mean, it still has to get around this corner, even if I start the other side. It doesn't really matter. Ouch, I'm sitting on. It's toward the top. There's no way to loosen it, huh?
Not without like taking the window out.
Okay, oh, it's got a little more movement there. That's good.
Try to move your elbow a
There we
little
go.
lower.
It's moving again.
Good thing I'm flexible. Otherwise, this will be very painful. Very.
I can't
'cause
tell if it's.
This would have been a very uncomfortable place to be moving.
I can't tell.
You getting it?
I can't tell. It looks like it's working. It does. All right. It looks like it's working.
Also, you're gonna need someone on the other side to keep the window stable while the other person is doing it. Make sure the person that's pulling is very strong.
Where are you at now with it?
Right here.
At the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have the other side tied so it can, so it's not. Dang it. I gotta tie this.
You got the cable wrapped around a screwdriver. This is not easy, but it's working. I'm wondering if we put Vaseline on this thing, if that would make it easier.
You're around the corner.
Yeah.
I can tell out here, you can see where it's not in. I didn't realize that in the dark yesterday. Almost, Bill, you're almost to the end. That's in. See where my hand is? My
Yeah.
finger? Sounds like it did it.
All right, let me see. And it looks like it's in all the way around.
It's in.
All right.